Assalamu alaikum. I am Nidhi Shubha. My ID is 181151821. Our presentation topic is diabetic patient monitoring and data classification using IoT application. This is our group member. Now I am discussing about abstract and introduction of our project. IoT, that means Internet of Things. It is used to implement in several applications. IoT can be applied in many fields such as patient health monitoring system. By understanding, processing and utilizing the knowledge and information hidden in big data with respect to health issues and disease trends in certain population, we can find solution to live longer and healthier. We believe that early detection of diabetes is harmful of our body, so we develop a system that can measurement our blood sugar and also send short message service addressing to the doctor. The growth of diabetic patient increased day by day. In our system, we provide real-time information which is updated every 5 minutes. As a result, patients and physician must treat approximately 9,000 readings and interpret enormous data to adjust insulin doses and keep our blood sugar as close to normal as possible. Thank you very much.
Assalamualaikum. I am Korbirai. My ID 181151861. Now I will discuss what is research objective. Firstly, I want to say what is research objective. First, research objective is the main aim of the research is the discover the real or truth, which is not invisible, which is invisible and which is not discovered and yet. Through each research study has its own particular purpose. Research objective as falling into a number of broad groupings. Into gain familiarity with a fact or to reach new insights into it. To property accuracy the properties of a gained individual situation of a group that determine the frequency which study some frequency the which is the associated with something else to set a methodology of the causal relationship between variable. Diabetics is the main problem in the diabetics is the main problem in the world at present. Diabetes from the diabetics are mostly due to its complications. Such risk factors were emphasized for diabetic complications as the sedentary lifestyle, physically inactivity, high say caloric intake, obesity, high blood pressure, smoking, alcohol intake, and high blood glucose levels too. This is the main. It is the main problem, big problem. Say I think in the world, neurology may plan with a diabetian. Active and maintain recommended exercise by activity levels, adjust their insulins if needed, prevent hypoglycemia, neurology, retinopathy, nephropathology, and cardiovascular complications. Then the digital blood glucose meter. It is used to form the number of the for a diabetes patient. Testing for glucose with a blood glucose meter is the one of the case of the successful diabetic management. It is help to mapping the glucose levels of diabetic patient. Then e-health sensor health. E-health sensor health is the special module designed for them meet the need of medical devices based on Arduino. It then GSM model. It is the research we used webcam hashtag. Then GSM model is the SMS sensor module webcam model enable Arduino card. Say Arduino card. Arduino card is an open source communications hardware and software company. This project has the use of community that designs and manufactures a signboard. For it, these projects are allows for them diabetes patients. For the diabetes patients, are very helpful but benefited by this project or this system. Thank you, everyone.
Hello sir, I am Nafis Mahmood. My ID is 181151950. Today I am telling you about our project design methodology. We have some device. One of them is digital blood glucose meter. What is the specialty of this device? I will tell you now. We have made a system. You can see it in the flowchart. In the system, the patient can perform a blood sugar level measurement using the digital blood glucose meter. After the measurement, he will get the result of blood sugar level. The measurement data is automatically transmitted by the sensor in serial mode to Arduino, and it will be processed by the microcontroller. Data processed by a microcontroller would be automatically transmitted to the GSM module that has been integrated into the Arduino board to send the measurement result to a specialist doctor via SMS. That's how it works. The specialty is this is for those patients who can go to the doctor daily. When the doctor get the SMS, the doctor send the decision. The decision means how many level of insulin the patient need, and that's how the patient can get the exact level of the insulin.
Hello everyone, this is Imran Sir Rifat. My ID is 181151919. Today our research presentation topic is diabetes patient data classification using the IoT application. Already my group member are represent our research module in different side of step by step in many things. Now I'm going to talk about the result and the discussion. In this session we discuss the result and of the testing system. The analysis is focused on the blood glucose data communication device as well as the performance of the communication with the Arduino GSM modem to send the short message service. The plan of this research evaluate the performance of this method of the classification diabetes data. The data is evaluated using the different algorithm. If we look at the table 1 accuracy level, where we can see the accuracy level, here is the algorithm, here is the correct classification instant, and here is the incorrect classification instant. If we look at this example 1 random tree, here is the correct classification instant is 97.871%. Here is the incorrect classification instant is 2.1298%. If we understand that here is the mass difference between the currently and incorrectly classification instant. We also see the table 2. Here is the so that graph management of the level glucose in the blood. If we see the two sign, where is the one of them is orange and one of them is blue. Here is this look at this day by day are between are closed with each other, the two sign. So we can understand the glucose level are gradually decrease with each other by this application. Here is conclusion. The real-time monitorize the system of the database condition is able to perform with the function of the Internet of Things, which is the IoT. The effectiveness of the personal database of the monitoring the by mobile application database being the demonstrate in this paper. We proposed the implementation of this blood glucose measurement system with the GSM module of the telemonitoring. This data result of this monitoring we receive the by the value of the SMS. The average delay of the transmission was the 48.27%. The connection between the blood and glucose sensor Arduino and could not run the simultaneously when the data acquisition process. The microcontroller was the running. The session and the e-health site must be maintained correct. This model will allow the preventive intervention through the self distance management and improve the glucose control. Here is the reference. We maintain all the process and do this project. Here is the reference of this. Thank you, sir. Thank you, everyone.